Mornings can often feel like a whirlwind, leaving little time to focus on a nutritious breakfast. Many people assume that going gluten-free means sacrificing taste and convenience, opting for either expensive packaged foods or complicated recipes that take too long to prepare. However, the reality is that there are plenty of delicious breakfast options that are naturally gluten-free, easy to make, and satisfying. The goal is to show that healthy eating can fit seamlessly into a busy lifestyle. With these 7 breakfast ideas, you can enjoy meals that provide sustained energy, support digestive health, and taste fantastic, all while being quick and budget-friendly. Let's explore these options that can transform your mornings and prove that gluten-free doesn't mean compromising on flavor or nutrition. The first recipe is a nutrient-rich smoothie bowl that feels indulgent but is packed with goodness. Start with 1 frozen banana, half a cup of frozen berries, a quarter cup of gluten-free oats, a tablespoon of almond butter, and half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Blend these ingredients together until they reach a thick and creamy consistency, which should take about 60 seconds. Once blended, pour the mixture into a bowl and top it with sliced fresh fruit, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a handful of gluten-free granola. This breakfast is not only delicious, but also provides a balance of healthy fats, fiber, and natural sugars, ensuring you have sustained energy throughout the morning. To save time, consider pre-portioning your smoothie ingredients into freezer bags on Sundays, making the morning routine even easier. Next up is a veggie-packed egg scramble that can be customized to suit your taste and takes only 4 minutes to prepare. Begin by heating a teaspoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan. Add pre-chopped vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or tomatoes, and sauté them for about a minute. Then, pour in 2 to 3 beaten eggs and scramble everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are set. Season with your favorite herbs, salt, and pepper. This breakfast is rich in protein and healthy fats from the eggs, while the vegetables contribute essential vitamins and antioxidants. For an efficient prep hack, chop your vegetables ahead of time and store them in glass containers. You can even pre-scramble the eggs and store them for up to 3 days. Just reheat and enjoy. The third recipe is overnight chia pudding, which requires just 5 minutes of prep the night before, making it ideal for busy mornings. Combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, a tablespoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon in a jar. Mix well and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, simply add fresh berries, chopped nuts, and a drizzle of almond butter on top. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making this breakfast a fantastic choice for steady energy and digestive health. For even more convenience, consider making several jars at once for the entire work week. Moving on, let's reimagine avocado toast using sweet potato slices instead of bread. Slice a medium sweet potato lengthwise into 1/4-inch thick pieces and toast them in your toaster for 2 to 3 cycles until they're tender. While the sweet potato is toasting, mash half an avocado with lime juice, salt, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Spread the avocado mixture on your sweet potato toast and top it with a sprinkle of hemp seeds or everything bagel seasoning. This breakfast is not only delicious, but also provides complex carbohydrates and healthy fats that support brain health and keep you energized. To save time, you can pre-slice sweet potato rounds and store them in the fridge for up to 5 days. The fifth breakfast idea is a Greek yogurt parfait that feels indulgent, yet takes just 2 minutes to assemble. In a glass or jar, layer half a cup of plain Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of gluten-free granola or chopped nuts, and a 1/4 cup of fresh berries. Repeat the layers for a beautiful presentation. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics for gut health and protein for satiety, while the berries add antioxidants and natural sweetness. To elevate the flavor, consider adding a tablespoon of homemade chia jam or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra kick without added sugars. The sixth recipe features quinoa, a complete protein grain that makes for a fantastic breakfast option. You can use leftover cooked quinoa or prepare a batch on Sunday. To make the bowl, heat half a cup of quinoa with a quarter cup of almond milk and mix in some cinnamon, vanilla, and a touch of maple syrup. Top it off with sliced banana, chopped walnuts, and a drizzle of almond butter. Quinoa is not only high in protein, but also rich in fiber and essential minerals like magnesium and iron, making it a nutritious choice to kickstart your day. Batch cooking quinoa allows you to use it throughout the week in various meals, from breakfast bowls to salads. Finally, let's talk about no-bake energy bites that are perfect for those on-the-go mornings. To make these, combine 1 cup of gluten-free oats, half a cup of almond butter, a third of a cup of honey, a third of a cup of mini dark chocolate chips, ensuring they are gluten-free, and a quarter cup of ground flaxseed with a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything together, roll into balls, and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. This recipe yields about 20 bites, providing a balanced mix of healthy fats, protein, and complex carbohydrates to keep you satisfied. Store the energy bites in the fridge for up to a week, or freeze them for up to a month for even longer-lasting convenience. These 7 delicious gluten-free breakfast ideas demonstrate that eating well can be simple, quick, and enjoyable. Each recipe offers sustained energy and can be tailored to suit your preferences, proving that gluten-free meals don't have to be boring or time-consuming. However, these recipes are just the beginning. For those looking to fully embrace a gluten-free lifestyle, a comprehensive system is essential. The Ultimate Gluten-Free Lifestyle Guide offers 30 days of meal plans, over 100 tested recipes, dining safety protocols, and meal prep strategies to streamline your week. Don't let hidden gluten derail your health. Click the link in the bio to access the guide and transform your relationship with food today. Investing in your health is crucial, and your future self will appreciate the steps you take now to thrive on your gluten-free journey.